In a lush, verdant meadow, where the sunflower queen reigned, lived a humble thrush named Thorn. Thorn, with a voice so sweet, was loved by all creatures in the meadow. Yet, he was plagued by an unshakable sense of inadequacy, for he was not as grand as the sunflower queen. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Thorn watched the sunflower queen. Her petals shimmered golden, her head turning towards the sky, as if in a dance with the sun itself. Thorn felt a pang of envy, wishing he could dance with the sun like she did. In the stillness of the night, a wise old owl spoke, "Thorn, you are a thrush, not a sunflower. Embrace your own unique beauty and dance with the music that flows from your heart." Days turned into weeks, and Thorn pondered the owl's words. One day, he heard a melody in the wind, a symphony that spoke of his own soul. With a heart full of courage, Thorn began to sing. His song was unlike anything the meadow had ever heard. It was a melody of simplicity and grace, a testament to Thorn's true nature. The sunflower queen, hearing Thorn's song, was moved. She realized that Thorn, in his own way, was indeed dancing with the sun. From that day forward, Thorn sang every day, his voice echoing through the meadow. The sunflower queen, once a symbol of grandeur, found a new appreciation for the humble thrush. And in the end, the meadow became a place where all creatures danced, each in their own unique way, to the music of their heart. This tale of Thorn and the sunflower queen serves as a reminder that we are all unique, each with our own unique beauty and talents. Embrace who you are, and let your individuality shine, for it is in our differences that we find our true dance.